What's good, everybody? It's your boy Jug. I'm back with another video. Hey, man, man. I appreciate y'all, man. We hit 800 subs, bro. I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all, man. This is the past 4 months with this YouTube stuff has been so surreal, bro. It's just crazy how 800 people, bro. Just think of 800 people in the room, bro. I'm just imagining it. Y'all all just there. Y'all rocking with me, bro. Out of everybody, bro, me. That shit just sits with me, bro. Like y'all could be anywhere, but y'all come back. Y'all always like, y'all always comment. Y'all stay subscribed. Like, bro, that shit really means something to me, bro. Like, I really appreciate y'all. So I just want to appreciate y'all on that. Hey, I love y'all, man. Like I said, bro, road to 1K by my birthday. My birthday is January 27th of this month. I mean, it's January, so that was probably dumb for me to say. My bad. But hey, bro, for real though, bro, I really appreciate y'all, bro. 800, bro, is crazy in 4 months. Like, bro, I'm just thankful. Thankful for y'all. Thankful for God. Hey, thankful for everything. Everybody that participated and get me where I'm at right now with this YouTube stuff, I appreciate y'all, bro. From the bottom of my heart, bro. I gotta do like a giveaway. Like, once we hit 1K, bro, I gotta do like a crazy giveaway. Something. I mean, my pocket's tight. If y'all wanna pitch in some, no, I'm just playing. Hey, let me know what type of giveaway y'all want, bro. I got y'all, bro. That's the only that's something I can do back for y'all, bro. I can give away $100, like 10 to each people, or I can do like split it up in 25, give 4 people 25. Like, how y'all want to do it, bro? I just want to appreciate y'all in some way for helping me get where I'm at today. But in today's video, bro, we got The Main Bird by NoCap. It came out December 16th. I did not know that. But hey, NoCap is very underrated. I feel like I said in multiple other videos, I feel like he up there with the higher names. He just don't got that recognition for some reason. I don't know why. But that shit that been going on lately, him and YB, they need to get back right, man. That's hey, man, that's a tough ass duo, bro. I hope they can figure out what they got going on so we can get great music by them. They're both great at like what they do. Like, bro, I'm telling you, bro, they gotta squash that shit, bro. Cause that's some great music that we could get, bro. But I hope they squash it. But hey, man, I'm about to react to the little. I want to say it's an EP. I don't really think it's an album. It's 7 songs, so I don't think he's considering this an album. It's more like of an EP. But let's go ahead and get straight into it, man. Hey, first song is Rich and Dangerous. Let's go. Hey, it's chlorophyll in here, bro. Drink this. It's good for you. It clear out your gut and stuff, I think. It's good for you though. Sound like one of them, like a pain song, straight from the heart.
Dying about that money, you know, hustling kills. Deserving what I got, I put in work for years. I hope Fred know that
I was just saying that, no cap. I was just saying that, putting in work. I deserve everything. Like, come on, come on. Uh-oh.
No hustling kills. Deserving what I got, I put in work for years.
Facts.
I hope Fred know that I miss him, but he never called me. Wish my nigga would've passed away from natural causes. Giving up on being happy cause them devils on me. All I know is grab my ratchet every fucking morning. Lambo tight, they grip the street, them bitches hug the corner. Rich ass rapper, police think I got a 50 on them. I see diamonds in your eye every time that you cry. That's why you so emotional. All that money couldn't save me. They made me mad enough, then I'ma go spin out a Bentley truck.
Hey, he said something about money can't save me. Money cannot save you, bro. Just know that. I don't know. I'm trying to put it in perspective for y'all. Like, money, they say money can buy happiness, but I don't think, like, the richest people be depressed. Like, I feel like the richest people be one of the most depressed people in the world. Because, like, more money, more problems. Like, they say money is the root of all evil. And once you get a lot of it, that shit cause problems. Like, people want to come after you. Like, people envy you. Like, don't let money be the main focus. Like, cause that shit come with problems.
Rich and dangerous. Yeah, yeah, rich and dangerous. Yeah, yeah, rich and dangerous. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Surround yourself with good people.
Shawty can't leave, she stalking. Can't give up, I'm ballin'. Whoever hang with them, we get them. We don't have a target. I've been in LA, but all the trenches where my heart at. These niggas ain't felt no pain, these niggas just play hurt like a car wreck. At night,
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These niggas just play hurt like a car wreck.
On that coast here. Remember I was posted on the wall just like a dope bell. Everything changed. Remember
oh, back to back? What did you say? Hold on.
Like a dope bell.
Damn.
Everything changed. No pain, these niggas just play hurt like a car wreck. At night I pray to God that he protect me from that coast here. Remember I was posted on the wall just like a dope bell. Everything
That's fire.
changed. Remember Duke was standing right here. Pistol in my hand. It take too long to get to my hip. Dying by that money, you know hustling kills. Deserving what I got, I put in work for years. I hope Fred know I miss him, but he never called me. Wish my nigga would have passed away from natural causes.
Damn, I just caught what he said. Wish my nigga would have passed away from natural causes, but I'm pretty sure I don't want to say what happened to him and then be wrong. Y'all let me know what happened to Fred. It had to have been something crazy because he said I wish my nigga would have died from natural causes.
All I know is grab my ratchet every fucking morning. Lambo Tazi grip the street, them bitches hard the corner. Rich ass rapper police think I got a 50 on me. I see diamonds in your eye every time that you cry. Is that why you so emotional?
The beat is fire.
All that money couldn't save me.
Whoever on that piano.
I'ma go spin out a Bentley truck. Rich and dangerous. Yeah, 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 rich and. Yeah.
That production was fire. That was hard. That was hard. The production was good. He was on that. Hey, I'm telling you, straight from the heart, bro. You can't. I can relate to stuff like this when well, not to like the certain stuff that's in the song, but when it's from the heart, bro, instead of the metaphors like killing people and stuff like that, but when it's from the heart, like when you can relate to like how a person is feeling, I feel like that's the best music, cause like you both are experiencing the same thing, but you're not an artist, so you can't like I don't know, bro. It's just something about something you can relate to. Hey, number 2 is How Is It Going featuring Rob 49. Let's go. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh, I got my nigga Weezy up here. Hold on.
I put an AP on my left wrist. I put Cartier up on my bitch. I put a Rolex on my brother. That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah, I drive that Chevy like a rose, mouth full of goals. Rich nigga still a fuck a project hoe. I'm sagging cause I got it from my daddy. My mama knew I was a problem when she had me. These niggas talk behind my back like I'm the
He floating. Wait. He is floating on this shit. Wait.
mouth full of goals. Rich nigga still a fuck a project hoe. I'm sagging cause I got it from my daddy. My mama knew I was a problem when she had me.
Fact.
These niggas talk behind my back like I'm the reason they ain't that. I fucked around and ran it up. That's the same reason they stuck. I got too much paper. I made it kinda hard to go to war. Let your globe hang out the car. No shit get wet out when I'm out. NoCap the hood preacher got a plug who blessed me with that all. My say so fucking big.
Hold up, he's snapping.
Wake up in the morning, 100K on my dresser. Don't call yourself no op if you ain't applied pressure. I walk on stage, fans call my name, the streets do too. Free Cortez, he know 3 numbers 762. Why the police take my rifles?
He know 3 numbers 762. Stop playing with NoCap, bro. Y'all gonna stop playing with him, bro. Bro, I promise you, he is up there with like Lil Baby and them, bro. I promise you, bro. If he can get the recognition that he deserves, my nigga, I'm telling you, that shit was basic, but he just do this shit effortlessly, bro. Come on now, I'm trying to put y'all on.
I got deals to catch too. I'm sagging cause I got it from my daddy. My mama knew I was a problem when she had me.
Facts.
I try to shave it like a rose, mouth full of ghosts. Rich niggas still a fuck a project, ho.
Hey, stop playing with NoCap, bro. I'm telling you, he's one of them.
I put an AP on my left wrist. I put Cartier up on my bitch. I put a Rolex on my brother. That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah, that's exactly how
this shit hard.
Yeah, that's exactly how this shit been going.
Don't get me wrong, the shit like this be snapping too.
That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah, that's exactly how this shit been going. I've been in that mode, I'm flipping hoes, I ain't got no girl.
Who this?
I'm in the track, I'm screaming free the trail. Glock it to my left, P pusher, bad hoe flipper, sell 1,000 pounds of better. Once you say that, can't erase that, better stand on what you feel. I'm in knee deep in the drug, think no nigga gon' bring me silk. From New Orleans, way to BR, we who put holes to the test. 762 is like a missile, oh you love me, give me tatted. I'm cut from a different fabric, niggas cotton, and I'm solid. He ain't tied it, niggas lying, VM.
Whoa, he said I'm cut from a different fabric, niggas cotton. What'd he say? What'd he say? Niggas cotton and I'm solid? What'd he say? Oh, but bro, my memory's so shit. Hold up. This nigga snap. Who is Rob? This nigga snapping.
Said that can't erase that, better stand on what you feel. I'm in knee deep in the drug life, ain't no nigga gon' bring me silk. From New Orleans, way to BR, we who put holes to the test. 762 is like a missile, oh you love me, give me tatted. I'm cut from a different fabric, niggas cotton, and I'm solid. He ain't tied it, niggas lying, VM, Roger Mafia. I was cutting school with him, niggas act like they don't remember. I sold weed, I crack cards, I'm a real hood.
This beat fire. I put Cartier on my bitch. I put a Rolex on my brother.
That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah.
Okay.
That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah. That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah. That's exactly how this shit been going.
Okay, yeah. I'm telling you, bro. He's one of them, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. Whoever made this beat, bro, I love music, bro. It's so much to it that we don't understand, bro. Like this shit can really hype you up, make you sad. Like, bro, I'm telling you, bro, music is unexplainable. We think it's one thing when there's way more to it, my nigga. Hey, number 3, back to the basics. Let's go. So far, this shit fire.
Gina on a track.
Yeah. Hey, my niggas, they be drugging, they pop Percocets like Advil. Tell her bend it over, shake
don't
it,
pop pills.
Show me that ass real. We know it ain't close, so we can't talk about that case. Ay, them niggas ain't ballin', they just sitting on wait. I'm rockin' roll, my bitch nice as hell. You can't tell the difference. They gon' have to buy me out of jail if they get the trip. I'm staying quiet on the internet. I ain't into this. That bitch Keisha
this
got
different from NoCap. Hold on.
And if she mad a couple grand, I put a smile on her face. Free my nigga out the can, I spend bands on his case. They ain't billing shit for somebody to take it. God know that.
That was hard. I just caught that.
I'ma sell a spin and I be praying. Hold up, PTB, you know we protecting the brand. Hold up, too much walking, me can't tell what I be saying. Yo niggas trying
don't
to
do
go,
drugs.
Mine train to kill. Me and Shawty close, but I don't wanna feel her veneers. Tell Sky I wanna fuck her like a porn star. Think that I'm sleeping, we got 4 dicks in this foreign car. Can't be myself, so I can't wait.
What? What did you say? Hold on. That was crazy. Hold on. Let me make sure I heard that right.
I don't wanna feel her veneers. Tell Sky I wanna fuck her like a porn star. Think that I'm sleeping, we got 4 dicks in this foreign car. Can't be myself, so I can't wait until I shake these.
I wouldn't have said that, but that's just me. I don't know. I know what he's saying. He talking about, you know, I ain't gonna get federal, but I feel like he could have said something else. I don't know. That's just me.
I'm down to whoop that hoe, she cheat, so now she think I'm crazy. Right through my bill with a stick, right back to the basics. I'm down to catch a tip to lose, police should've tased me. All about my green like the Hulk, I'm so incredible.
Hold up, I ain't never heard NoCap doing that. Okay, he getting, okay, he getting versatile. He's showcasing what he can do on this. Okay, the main bird. I'm the biggest bird.
I know what's in my area. Say she from Virgin Islands, I still fuck on the first night. Country boy, money riding, Pop Willis on the dirt bike. Shawty should thank me for real, I took her out the projects. Don't worry, I'm at my lowest, so I'ma sip this high tech. These
don't do drugs.
Go to jail insane. His name should be Melody. When I squeeze it, I won't fucking stop. That's just my dream. I know they aiming at my head too. Hey, you know my legacy. If they pick me up, I keep quiet. That's just my tellers. They be drugging, they pop Percocets like Advil. I bend it over, shake it for me, show me that ass real. We know it ain't close, so we can't talk about that case. Ay, them niggas ain't ballin', they just sitting on wait. I'm rockin' roll, my bitch nice as hell. You can't tell the difference. They gon' have to buy me out of jail if they get the trip. I'm staying quiet.
This is hard. This is hard.
That bitch Keisha got some good head. Pay for her tuition.
Shout out the production team, nigga. Y'all going crazy. This is hard. He doing some stuff that he ain't normally been doing, like that little whispering, and that shit hard. Little whisper mumble. That shit hard. This nigga Cap is in his bag, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro, he's one of them ones, bro. He's one of them ones. Number 4, we got Standing on Lies, man. Let's go. This nigga on net. He's stepping on necks right now. Who pissed NoCap off?
Hey, bro, is that Jambo?
Okay. We toned it down a little bit. Okay. That nigga was on some crazy shit the other 2 songs.
Believe they self, they standing on lies. And they always asking me why. I won't let no one love me, I'm fine. That Lambo low to the ground, my head high. And
Fire.
they always asking us why. We post on that block and don't hide. When we know that it's chances of dying. When we know that we facing jail time. Bullets fly like Delta, take a nigga spirit. Ay, all this jury on, I brought my lawyer with me.
Oh my god, that was fire. Oh my gosh, that was fire. What? The Delta take a nigga spirit? Come on, man. Stop playing. The flights?
Soon I told them no, them niggas went to distance.
Damn.
Only thing that showed me they was never with me.
Back.
Problems in my cup, I mixed the soda with it. Had to stop giving my trust, I barely know these bitches. She took too many pictures, first time I flew her out. She won't see me again, cause I see what this all about. What happened to the real niggas like this shit a drop? The fake is in, played to win and lost. I'm young, not convinced, I need a 10 to talk. A 50 to see me, ain't talking about Titans, you did. Black card, it remind me, niggas got life in the pen. My daddy taught me 2 things, don't follow the hype or the trend.
That was fire.
So they gon' die trying to be something they ain't. I made a call after I pulled the paint. I told the God, but I didn't complain at all, cause it get worse.
I made a call out. Man, come on, dog. Come on. Y'all not really hearing him.
In school, now them boys trying to get home with the world. Don't get no risking it and giving it, they take this hard to go. I knew that they would change, but I didn't see my homies folding. I got so damn rich that I can burn what they owe me. I got so damn lit that they gon' burn me if they can. Standing in the rain with a gun.
Oh my goodness.
With a bulletproof umbrella. I wonder why these niggas believe they self, they standing on lies. And they always asking
This is crazy. This nigga snapping. Yeah, this, hey, bro, I'm telling you, Cap is not one. He is not one of them, bro. If he got the recognition that he deserved, bro, I'm telling you,
but I didn't
bro.
complain at all, cause it get worse. Skipping school, now them boys trying to get home with the work. Don't get no risking it and giving it, they take this hard to go. I knew that they would change, but I didn't see my homies folding. I got so damn rich that I can burn what they owe me. I got so damn lit that they gon' burn me if they can. Standing in the rain with a gun in my hand, with a bulletproof umbrella. I wonder why these niggas believe they self, they standing on lies.
I'm telling y'all, bro, he is tough, bro. Hey, if you want some merch, the link will be in the bio, bro. That's who the pillow is by too. 1004. Hey, NoCap is the biggest bird, bro. Oh bullshit. Hey, number 5 ain't right. Let's go. This shit fire.
D-Hill.
Yeah. Cut it on every beat, nigga.
I like this beat. I can already tell. It remind me of a nudie beat. Where they trap here, we go spin it up. Them niggas broke because of us. That Molly pink like pig skin. Fucking on my bitch friend. Got that Lambo 10 in. His beat go crazy. Niggas, they was with me. I don't know what happened. I had to get rid of bitches. I knew they was choosing. I'm rich, so on the blame for everybody when they losing. She don't know a song, but she gon' fuck me cause I'm poppin'. Spent 20 up in evenings and I didn't plan on shopping. Top in my lap, girl, it's a hack. Cortez, he'll dunk on them like shit. Don't try to flex, I'm getting bad. I'm fucking snow bunnies in these cats. Got all these rings on like I'm mad. Got all these Cuban links on my neck. I got a cold heart in my chest. I got an op bitch in my bed. Say that they with it, dodging on the low. I put some no attachments on the pole. We just gon' burn the bridge for them trolls. Niggas didn't see my vision all along.
D-Hill.
What? We just gonna burn the bridge for them trolls? Cause y'all know how the trolls be under the bridge, nigga Dora. Nigga Dora taught us that. This nigga is, bro, I'm telling you, bro. NoCap is different, bro. I swear to God, if he got the recognition that he deserved, he'll be one of the best. Nigga, NoCap. What? Bro.
Yeah. Got to tell on everything.
This nigga is crazy.
My bitch, right?
Are y'all hearing him? Right.
Where they trap here, we go spin it up. Them niggas broke because of us. That Molly pink like pig skin. Fucking on my bitch friend. Got that
oh my gosh, the Molly pink like pig skin. Don't do drugs.
And put Dracos in it. Niggas, they was with me. I don't know what happened.
This nigga's in his bag. Oh my goodness. This nigga is different. I'm telling you. Hey man, that shit was fire. Bro, that's what I'm telling you, bro. I know I sound like a broken record, bro. Bro, I'm telling you. If you don't listen to NoCap, bro, listen to him, bro. He do this a lot, like on a lot of singles, a lot of projects. Like he does this, bro. I'm telling you. Hey, last song, No Other Way, man. Let's go. Finish this shutout strong, NoCap. Let's go, man. Well, yeah. Only thing I need to hear with the beat. This about to be fire.
Hey, nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. I'm out here all alone, it ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. Remember days we ain't had nothing to do. They called a jet, I'm all my haters wanna kill themselves. I suicide my doors. And they the reason why I flex.
Damn.
I only ran it up because of you. That foreign car and Gino Pie make the same sound go skirt. Won't tell they get my time cut, I catch my rat with scissors. But I'ma watch this presidential. But if you run, we come and get you. Nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. I'm out here all alone, it ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. I know they waiting on me to slip up, fall, fumble, whatever. The Christian on my feet, walk with the devil. You did that? Had a dream that God picked me up. In the Hellcat, I was always told that life's a gamble. You can't bet back. 20 bands on clothes, we walk through demons with them trumpets on us. My youngin' 16 with a body without no school diploma. She a boss bitch,
crazy.
She just want a boss, nigga. But she down the fuck just to get you chalk, nigga. Nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver.
This nigga is tough, bro.
Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. I'm out here all alone, it ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. It ain't no other way, it ain't no other way.
This nigga is crazy.
It ain't no other way, it ain't no other way.
The metaphoric, like, bro, what? That shit is hard, bro. I'm telling you, bro. When you mix it in, the metaphor with bro, I'm telling you, that shit is different, bro. This nigga is tough. Hey, so there you guys have it, man. The main bird, I'm telling you, bro. Don't listen to NoCap, nigga. You are behind. You need to start listening. This nigga is one of them ones, bro. He is underrated as fuck, in my opinion. That's my personal opinion. I feel like he don't get the recognition that he deserves, because he is, bro, he's hella talented. He does it all. He's very versatile. Hey, my guy does it all. Shout out to the production team on this motherfucker. Them beats and shit was hard. The piano, you had, bro, Wheezy. Shout out Wheezy. Nigga, Wheezy was up here, bro. That nigga Wheezy, he becoming like one of my favorite producers. Like, that nigga Wheezy always has some crazy shit. Fire. This is fire. I wish it was more songs, bro. Like, what's going on, bro? I need like 20 of these bitches. 7 ain't enough. Them shit was fire, but 7 ain't enough. I need more, bro. I need more of these shits. Hey, man. The main bird, I'm gonna get that shit a 10, bro. That shit was hard. That shit was hard. I wish it had more songs. I'll give it a 9. Since it was less songs, I'll give it a 9. I'll give it a 9. If it was more songs, it would have been a 10, 100%. Hey, man. This shit was hard. If you don't listen to NoCap, I don't know what you're doing. Tap in, bro. He's one of them ones, bro. That most definitely. He is definitely up there. He's supposed to have the recognition that others got off of trolley songs. Like, this nigga be snapping. There be people out here that be trolling. I don't hate on nobody, but I just feel like he deserves more recognition, bro. He don't get enough, in my opinion. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, bro. I love y'all. We hit 800, road to 900, man. Let's hit 900. The goal is 1K before my birthday, which is January 27th. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I love y'all. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Hey, stay tuned. I got more stuff coming. I love y'all, man. I'm gone.